What are your thoughts on how we shift our thinking about political and civic engagement from something that we feel like we have to do to something that we're excited and eager and motivated to do? And also, where have you seen this modeled successfully?
Thanks. I also agree with everything, but one of the things we've done at Democracy Forward is to show up to the hard places where the really hard fights are, places like Texas, places like Mississippi, and to bring other ways. We don't do political work, we do legal work, and you might be thinking, gosh, well, the courts are gone for a generation, but that's entirely where we have to show up, is in all of these spaces. And so we have really found that communities can unite behind the ability to use their voice in certain spaces. So for instance, in Ohio, we represented the National Association of Social Workers challenging a local ordinance ban and an abortion fund there, and got, good results in that case. But you don't think normally about social workers uniting behind a lawsuit and being able to bring other tools that are not in the normal toolbox. People think about voter registration, they think about, writing letters to the editors. So we're really trying to bring other tools, and people find a lot of hope and inspiration and agency in that. We're working with groups in Florida, parents groups that are organizing around what's happening in their schools and in their communities, and we can provide legal tools in ways. And we've seen that really bringing that voice and elevating and amplifying voices, as opposed to having sort of the law talk to people, making sure that people are in that third branch of government using their voices, has created good impact and can make people find hope, which I believe is the greatest organizing tool.